In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a PowerPoint presentation with pictures and text. First, open your web browser and search for PowerPoint. Open the official site and, if you're prompted, sign in with your account so your work saves automatically. After you reach the PowerPoint homepage, select Create Blank Presentation to start fresh. You'll land in the editing view with your first slide ready. Let's set the background color so your design has a clean foundation. Right-click anywhere on the empty slide background to open the background options. Find solid fill, expand the arrow next to it, and choose a color you like. The slide updates immediately so you can see how the color supports your content. Now add a photo, go to the Insert tab, choose Pictures, then select this device. Browse your gallery, pick a photo, and click Open. The image appears on the slide. To resize it, drag a corner handle in or out while keeping it proportional, and move it into a balanced position where the main subject is easy to see. If you see design suggestions on the right side, browse through them. These options automatically arrange your photo and text in polished layouts. Scroll to find one that fits your message, and click to apply it when you're happy. Next, add your title. Click in the title area, type your text, then select it. From the font controls, choose a font style that matches your tone. Use the font size drop-down to make it larger or smaller, and use the font color drop-down to pick a color that stays readable against your background. Small adjustments here make a big difference in clarity. To add another slide, go back to Insert and click New Slide. Your second page appears, ready for content. From here, you can keep building by inserting elements from Insert, such as a text box, a table, additional pictures, cameo, video, audio, shapes, stock images, icons, smart art, or a chart. Just click the item you want and it will be added to the slide where you can position and format it to match your style. Finally, give your presentation movement with transitions. Select the slide, click the Transitions tab, and choose the effect you prefer. Pick something that complements your content so the flow feels smooth. That's it. You searched for PowerPoint, signed in, created a blank file, set a background, added pictures and text, built more slides, and polished everything with design suggestions and transitions. Follow these steps and you'll have a clear, engaging deck in minutes.